Ndakugeithia muno mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV na ngakihoka wina thayo na kuria guothe uratwamukira tugakunyita ugeni thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru tukorwo tugikumenyithia maria mari kiondo-ini gitu kia mohoro hwaini wa umuthi nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani mutwathiriri na njira ciko etagwo Sharon wa Gicuhi tukiambiriria ni atiriri mambura ma thiguku ya Christmas makuhiriirie athikafu a kanitha wa Gatoreki wa Kitui muthikafu munene Joseph Mongela ne oriti atwarithia anduthi atwarithia a ngari athina riothe mahuthagira barabara gukorwo makimenyerera na niguo gwithemana na mitino ya barabara iria ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka guku bururi-ini akiaria hindi igongona ria kanitha Mongela ne onanitie kieha kinene kumana na mitino ya barabara na iria augite ati ni uragite andu aingi na gutiga family ciao na ruo na kieha augite ati hindi ya mambura niguo gukoragwo na thabari nyingi na ndaya na uguo gucungiriria mitino makiria.
Christmas imekaribia na kama kawaida tunauliza wale ambao wanaendesha barabarani, wale ambao wanaendesha magari tuwe waangalifu, na sio tu wale ambao ni madrivers, hata pia wale ambao wanaabiri haya magari tuwe macho, tuweze kuambia madriver kada enda kasi, wakazi wanaleta fujo kwa barabara, tuweze kutulia. Mimi mwenyewe nimepita Thika Road, juzi kulikuwa na graduation MKU, na unaona vile watu wanataka kuwafuatia kila mtu aende, tumekwama hapo kwa sababu kukosa kujiweka na heshima ya barabara ndio tuweze kusonga mbele. Hayo yote tuangalie, tuwe makini, tuombee utaratibu, tuweze kupata sikukuu ya Christmas na mwaka mpya, tuondoe ulevi. Polisi wamefanya kazi nzuri siku ya leo, nimewapongeza pale, wameleta utulivu na tukaendelea vizuri, order kwa barabara, tuko huko ndani. Watu siwe na order kila mahali, na sisi wenyewe tuwe watulivu na tuendeshe barabarani, tuende salama, tuende na tufike bila kurundika watu, tukimbilia na kuja wanjiwezi, tuende salama, tufike salama.
Murugamiriri munene wa kamiti na memba wa migunda Edward Sawe akiaria hindi ya kirugurio kia mwaka na mufango wa 2025 ni ataririe uthii wa nambere uria wonekete gwa kahinda kanini. Oho ne ugite ati hari maundu makiria mabati gukorwo magikwo na makiria uthondeki wa barabara kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Mufango ucio utanyitwo gukuria na kurehe uthii wa nambere ugitiri na kumenyerera maria maturigice.
Launching this sensitization and the preparation of the Uasin Gishu County Spatial Plan for the year 2025 to the year 2035. Now, this document is a very, very important document that is supposed to be participatory in nature. It's supposed to bring on board all stakeholders within the county of Uasin Gishu. By that I mean the national government agencies, the county government agencies, the civil society, and the cooperation within the county. Within the space of 1 year, when we have converted city status, what we have done as a county to ensure that we expand the social infrastructure. By that I mean the roads within the city. We have worked closely with other stakeholders, and especially the KISIP social infrastructure program funded by the World Bank, to ensure that we open up the roads within the city. Using the same component as well, we have ensured that we increase the water and sanitation programs within the city as well. Even the non-motorized ways as well, because we want to build a smart city where the residents of Uasin Gishu County, apart from having ample walkways, we also have proper drainage systems and of course monitor traffic that has increased over time because of the city status.
It is actually a very rigorous exercise. It is a study which we have to undertake at the ward level, because this plan is integrated, inclusive of all the sectors from socio-economic infrastructure to environmental to security. The plan will integrate all those sectors and propose development which will be cutting across the sectors and being prioritized. The projects will be prioritized sector by sector, and also prescribing the space or proposing the space where various development projects will be undertaken by not only the county but all the development partners, the national government, the private sector, the development partners, and the proposals will be the proposals will be staggered from short term to medium term to long term.
Tukiuma mwena ucio ni kugi ati gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ni oriti atongoria thirikari-ini yake kwirutaniria makiria wira-ini wao ona thutha wa gukorwo merutanirie mwaka oyu wothe. Akiaria hindi ya gwikira wira na kuhura kirore murutire wa wira augite kana atongoria augite ati gavana ucio wa vicini yake ni atugiritie atongoria na njira nene na kuga ati ni merutanirie makiria. Mwandikito wa mohoro wa Bui wa Ng'ang'a ni uratuithiraniria riboti ino.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ni athingireirie ministry irutaga wira rungu rwake guthie na mbere na kuheana motungata mega kuri muingi ona thengia wao gukorwo marutite wira mwega mwaka uyu na kuheana motungata mega makiria kuri muingi thiini wa kaunti iyo.
And I want to assure you, through your work and through your advice, we have been able to achieve a lot, particularly on projects that we have promised our people. We have opened a number of maternity wings, a number of dispensaries, and roads network has improved despite other areas complaining here and there that they have not seen the tractors. But there is an adequate plan that those areas that we have not reached, we will reach eventually.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu nĩeranĩire kwandĩkithia aruti a wĩra othe wabici-inĩ yake rungu rwa insurance, akĩra aruti a wĩra makorwo na marũa ma wĩra nĩguo mamenye mawĩra marĩa marĩ namo.
The other very important thing that I wanted to remind you is that we were able to get insurance for all our employees, and I'm very sure that will continue for the next year so that everybody will have an insurance. The outcry that we used to have, the bills that the employees used to bring to my office, has at least gone down, and a number of people are getting the insurance and they are getting help. Again, I insist that each department, you must have a plan. You cannot have a performance contract and you don't have a plan as a department. I've seen about 4 or 5 that have developed their plans and others have not, meaning that you need to borrow from your colleagues what they have been able to do. Those of you who I already mentioned to you that you are yet not there. You're still struggling in terms of even understanding what you're supposed to do. But the third year, I think, if we were to evaluate you by the end of the third year, at least everybody now understand what performance contracting is.
Rĩrĩ rita rĩa gatatu thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok ĩtugĩtwo nĩ gũkorwo gatagatĩ ga kaunti 5 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ iria irutĩte wĩra mũingĩ na mwega kũrĩ mũingĩ. Gavana ũcio nĩ atũgĩrĩtie aruti a wĩra thĩinĩ wa wabici yake. Ngĩribotera Kĩheo TV, Ngĩtĩka Wambui wa Ng'ang'a.
Nĩ ngatho Wambui wa Ng'ang'a nĩ tondũ wa riboti ĩyo. Na kuo kũngĩ nĩ atĩ gavana wa kaunti ya Trans Nzoia nĩ akũmithĩtie thirikari-inĩ kĩrĩa augĩte atĩ nĩ kwaga kũrĩha thirikari cia kaunti mbeca cia mahũthĩro na ma ũrigiti ma SHA, akiuga atĩ aruti wĩra aya nĩ ũndũ ũmahinyĩrĩirie na njĩra nene gũkorwo aingĩ matiramũkĩra motungata ma ũrigiti na makĩria kuma kũrĩ thibitarĩ cia mũingĩ. Akĩaria thutha wa kwamũkĩra indo cia ũrigiti cia mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 30 kuma kũrĩ bũrũri wa Amerika, na Tembea augĩte atĩ thirikari gũcerithĩria mbeca icio kũrehaga hatika ya kwaga kwamũkĩra ũrigiti na guoya wa kweherio mũbango-inĩ wa ũrigiti wa utungata wa SHA.
Kuna pesa ambayo tunadai nyingi sana kutoka kwa SHA, lakini hatupati fedha. Hizo fedha tunaclaim lakini hatulipi. Sio Trans Nzoia peke yake, ni kaunti nyingine nyingi. Imekuwa ni kwamba tunasaidia specialist na itafika mahali tusipopata msaada kama huu, hata madawa labda tutaweza kununua. Maana tukipana claim zetu zisipokuwa refunded na umetumia fedha tayari, inafika mahali kunakuwa na challenge. Wakati mwingine ikosoa serikali, some people take it negatively. Wanaona unapiga serikali bure tu. But sisi ndio washikadau hapa chini tunaelewa. Wakati wananchi wanapiga kelele kwamba hakuna dawa, hawatauliza mtu mwingine, wanauliza gavana kwamba watu mtu amekufa hakuna dawa. Ndio wanajua mahali problem iko, lakini kuna mtu ambaye anataka unyamazi. Useme unyamazi tu kwa sababu ukiongea wewe utakuwa ni mbaya. Sisi wengine watu tumekubali waje tukiwa tumbaya, tuseme tu ukweli. Amara na gani? Tuseme tu ukweli ili solution ipatikane. Maana kama SHA ifanye kazi, hata wenyewe wanajua ifanye kazi. Kwa sababu mambo mali ile sura za serikali iko nayo, ambayo imesata saidi kulipia maneno ya SHA. Na ile claims ambazo wananchi wametibiwa na claims, hiyo pesa itoshani. Ile pesa imeweka na ile claims ziko nyingi kuliko fedha. Kwa hivyo lazima utakuwa kuna madeni. Kama kuna mtu ambaye anaambia president, maana president huwa anaambiwa kwa anakuwa brief, ambaye huwa anamwambia kwamba SHA inafanya kazi ili watungaji kwende muondoe mtu, maana mtu ndio adui ya Kenya kabisa. All you need to tell the leadership the truth, so that the truth, the reality can be faced.
Tukiuma kaunti-inĩ ya Trans Nzoia tũgũthiĩ kũngena kũrĩa mũmbunge wa Ikolomoni Bernard Shinali augĩte atĩ nĩ agũkinya igoti-inĩ gũthitanga Nema na Shanta nĩguo gwaka na gũthondeka irathi iria ciathũkirio thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Imusali hĩndĩ ya thukuru ũcio wahobanĩirio. Akĩaria arĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Malenya, Shinali nĩ akũmithĩtie ũthũkangia ũcio akĩorota honge icio cierĩ na kũmoria gwaka irathi icio. Oho mũtongoria ũcio nĩ endekithĩtie rũhonge rwa gitiri ukorwo rukirekereria aikari a gicigo kiu aria mekorire hatikaine na guikio ngoro ni maafitha a borithi hindi yo na kwirira muingi ati wa mwena wa Isulu na Bushiangala gutire ona umwe ugukorwa githamio kuma gikaro-ini giake.
Mimi nataka kuambia wale ambao wameleta siasa ya Ikolomani, gold mining, msimamo wangu, it has always been for the people of Ikolomani. Amen. Kwa sababu there is no way you can get an investor ambaye anakuja kuhamisha watu. Nowadays we have modern technology of mining. We must have a win-win situation. Kwa sababu yule investor Shanda Gold, sisi kama counties we support mining, but we don't support mambo ya kuhamisha watu without consultation. Na hivi sasa with modern technology we can still do mining bila kuhamisha watu. I've challenged Shanda Gold ya kwamba tutumie teknolojia ya kisasa ili tufanye mining pale Ikolomani bila kuhamisha watu wetu. That has been my stand, and we should not politicize mambo ya mining kule Ikolomani.
Na riboti iyo igukorwo igitwe mweke wa guikiria kwa ndagika oronini tugathi hara ntuko tugicokereria tukumenyithie magi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi Kemuma, twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh Kemuma, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Muturire uria turatura ni uri na mitangiko na mathina maingi.
Maundu macio mekuo no ti mega kuringana na kiugo kia Ngai ti mega tondu kiugo kia Ngai kiugaga atiriri maundu maria mothe mekagirwo nduma-ini iria nene muthenya umwe ni mariguorio na maigwo gacumbiri andu othe merore nake mundu ariugaga atiriri nyumba ya usiri ni nyumba baya. Ni nyumba tena gikeno ndina gikeno
ukaigwa hau gatagati-ini ringi ari ho 2,000 peke yake riu ono ngiagakorwo nginya ni akinya ni gutiga wira na ni kuhoya arahoya fia ya kuinuka
tabarira-ini ya Shararuku goka ni maundu ma mucii tukahithurania kiria kiraria kingi
no muhaka atumia mamarie no muhaka thuri metikiri uguo ati undu mwe wa maundu maria matumaga mutumia aigwendetwo ni muthuri wake ri to gutikirwo kia ona guthikiririo
na niguo ndukanerire na uge
tari koroni ndoi
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa Githima rucini. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitana na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto theinie wa tabarira ya riũa rĩa wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaingira kiberereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya ikumbi ria Kigosho. Thaburi 122 nĩ ndakenire rĩrĩa manjĩrire atĩrĩ nĩ tũthiĩ nyũmba-inĩ ya Jehova. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ Kĩheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu Nairobi, nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai, mahoya.
Tunaomba upako wako na neema yako mahali hapa Bwana Yesu mwana wa Mungu. Tunakuja kinyume na kila kazi ya shetani,
kiugo kĩa Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Wacha nikuambie, hapa kuna agano. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. Na nimesema leo, yule yote ameingia leo, yule ameingia mwaka huu kuna utukufu mpya, kuna nguvu mpya, kuna upako mpya.
Nĩ o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ o haha ceceni-inĩ ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. If this is your confidence, I want you to dance like you never.
Ino ni station ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nitwacokereria tuthie na mbere thiini wa mutamburuko wa Kĩheo Kabiru thiini wa maria mari metha-ini itu ya mohoro na guku kambini ya thiku 16 ya kurwa na bara cia kimucii igithie na mbere anyitite ihoto cia atumia na airetu kaunti-ini ya Narok mogite ati bara cia kimucii ni ithiete na mbere na kuongerereka na makiria kuri atumia na airetu makiaria mari Narok magitongorio ni gikundi kia ihoto citu consortium ni moritie thirikari kaunti-ini ya Narok kuoera ikinya ariothe magukorwo makiagarara watho ucio.
Mambo ni mengi mabaya ambayo yanatokana na mtandao na yanatokana na utumizi wa simu kwa njia isivyofaa. Ya kwamba kuna mambo kama kutuma picha ambazo ni za ngono, mtu kuiba data yako na kuitumia kwa njia isivyofaa. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo tunaomba kaunti yetu ya Narok ya kwamba kuweza kusaidia na kuwa na njia ambazo zitaweza kutusaidia ili kuweza kuzuia mambo kama hayo ambayo ni mambo ambayo yasiyokuwa.
Tungependa kushukuru kwa sababu yale mafunzo tumepata leo, angalau tutapeleka mpaka kwa wale wenye wako vijiji, mpaka watoto, mpaka kwa maofisi, mpaka kila mahali tunafanya kazi. Hata wale wakulima wenye wako nyumbani, watoto, kila mtu, angalau itatusaidia sana.
Gender-based violence is prevalent, especially in Narok County. We have a 41% prevalence of gender-based violence that happens especially to women. And more interestingly is that most of these cases remain unreported. And we are here today to condemn any form of gender-based violence, that we should come together and amplify our voices and also to seek justice and protection for the victims of gender-based violence.
Especially the rights of women and girls, governance, accountability. It's a project for all Kenyans, and especially technologically facilitated gender-based violence, that yes, gender-based violence cannot only be a physical violence, but it can also be initiated technologically or digitally, and that's why we came to learn as young men and women to the dangers of that we need to use our digital equipment very well. But one thing I've learned is that gender-based violence cannot only be based on women. Also men can be technologically harassed by even women, and we are being cautioned on that, especially the young people, the young generation, the agencies. We really use that as a way of bullying people, but now the law is on our hands.
Ruhonge rwa gutetera ihoto cia umundu ni ruguritie uthuthuria na urumwe wa mabũrũri na kuruirira ihoto cia umundu. Bũrũri wa Tanzania ari umwe mubango-ini uyu ni wendekithitie thayu, unyitaniri na urumwe, makiuga ati ni gukoretwo na mbara, ngucanio ona njũragano ica-ini ikuhi. Riu ni makomithitie ciiko icio na njira nene.
Tomorrow we will be in solidarity, we will be with them in prayer and also in action. We want to state this categorically, that there must be accountability for the deaths that have occurred and for the many atrocities that have been committed in Tanzania. What Tanzanians wanted over the last few months, they have peacefully called for constitutional reforms. They have peacefully called for electoral reforms. They have peacefully called for change in their country. But the response they got was violence, killings, and disappearances from their government. Kama watetezi wa haki, pia tukizungumzia serikali yetu ya Kenya, tungependelea haraka iwezekanavyo waweze kumuondoa balozi wa Kenya nchini Tanzania. Vile vile tunataka ubalozi wa Tanzania hapa nchini Kenya ufungwe haraka iwezekanavyo.
Over 2,000 people now face fabricated charges of terrorism, treason, and destruction of property. Lawyers defending detainees are themselves being arrested. Families searching for missing loved ones are being threatened or detained. Civil society organizations offering legal or humanitarian support are being criminalized. Digital spaces have been attacked, internet shutdowns, social media throttling, takedown of testimonies, and pressure of platforms like Meta and X have sought to silence critics and erase the records of crime.
Watanzania wasiogope, tuko pamoja nao. Usizime mitandao ya kijamii, usizime internet. Kesho tutaka tujue kama you are real, uko tayari kureform. Tutaka kujua kesho kuendelea nini Tanzania. Tuko macho, tuko ngangari, fire masi fire. Fire. We want to know what is happening in Tanzania tomorrow bila kuzima mitandao.
Riboti yo niyo igukorwo igituithiraniria kiheo kabiru thaa 1 tucemanicie handa wega thaa 3 gukumenyithia maya na mangi maingi hamwe na riothe makorwo manyitirire mwaro. Nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani, nake mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Sharon wa Gicuhi, akwendithirie wiroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citu iria irathie na mbere.